Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 2. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 3. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 4. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 5. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 6. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 7. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 8. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 9. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 10. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 11. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 12. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 13. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 14. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 15. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 16. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 17. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 18. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 19. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 20. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 21. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 22. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 23. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 24. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Number 25. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.